All right, today we're going to do a quick review of the KMC electrical outlet adapter. When we were first looking for an RV, we found one that I really liked. And the thing I liked about it, and this was a few years ago, they were doing the thing that's kind of common now, but it's not on this one or anything hardly more than 2 or 3 years old. And that is they put USB charger ports on the outlets. And well, that RV was about twice as much as the one we ended up buying. So we didn't get one that had USB outlets. But it turns out for a very reasonable amount of money, you can put them on yourself. And so this is what I got right here. And this is the KMC outlet adapters. You simply plug it into the wall wherever you think you're going to need it. And now I have 3 regular 110 outlets and 4 USB charging ports right there. Outlet. Pretty neat, right? Well, I thought so too. It works just great. Hey, but there's more. That's what they always say. Not only does it, let you charge your phone or device here, but for your phone, it's got this neat little place right there that you can put it while you're doing it. So there it is right there. That's the KMC electrical adapter for USB and 110 outlets. I think it's a pretty good deal.